This video will show how we assembled a floating platform at shows. The floating platform started out like this, a simple one platform device, and then we moved on to two with lighting and tower lights, and then just lately I expanded it to three, and then we came to the final configuration, which is four platforms. This shows also an octagon area where a maintenance area will be built. Also needs a couple of more tower lights. So this is how we start with the platforms all apart. First thing to do is to take one of the connectors and plug in the cable for the USB battery. This way the power comes in like that. There are no cables now because we use the 9-volt 2x2 connectors to connect it in. Now you'll notice that one of them's red on one side, and that's because the cables have to reverse across that connector platform. And so I put red tiles and plates on the sides so that I know which ones need to be connected which way. Also, I've changed it around so that there's only three tiles now that connect it, which makes it much simpler. Now you can just set the control shed on. I turn the power on so that I know that the lights are working and that the power is connected as I go along. I don't want to find out at the end that there's a problem somewhere. Also, I put in plates underneath the bottom to help support it. Now you can see there that the red one goes onto the left plate, and I showed you that the one on that's now being connected didn't have any red plates on it, so that means it goes to the non-red side. And then again, we put in the two gray tiles and the one lime tile to connect it on the top, and then we use a 4x4 plate to hook those three platforms or base plates together on the bottom. It just gives it a little bit of added extra support for it. Then the last one, again, you can see the red tiles and plates on the bottom. There's the red tile. Put the connector in, snaps in, power is connected. Put the plate or the base plate back on, and then we use a 4x4 plate in the corner there so that we get the three connected, and then that also helps support that small little section there that forms the maintenance area octagon. And then the two gray tiles on the lime one, and then a 4x4 gray tile in the center there. And then we can start installing the tower lights, and again, because the power is connected, we know right away that whether or not the electricity is working and all the connections are made. I still need to build two more tower lights here. There should be two for every landing platform, and right now I only have four, so I need two more to finish it up. And that's it. This used to take like 15 to 20 minutes to put together. Now it takes about 5 minutes. That's what I wanted.